Hello, Jeff here from Team Glue. What I'm here to do today is talk to you a little bit about a story we found about someone who used the techniques outlined in Glue to graduate college in only 3 semesters. When we were doing our research for Glue, we stumbled upon this story and we found it super interesting. This person was hyper-focused and wanted to complete, as a challenge to himself, graduating in just 3 semesters. Of course, this meant taking over 40 credit hours per semester, which is super hard to do. Most students, of course, average 12 to 15. Working this much at school means that you have to focus as much as you possibly can on the important information that's going to cause you to graduate and get good grades on the test. Not only did this student graduate, they had straight A's as well. How this user was able to do this was he would go to the class and focus completely on learning the lecture as the lecturer presented it. Anything that he found difficult, he would take a note on, and later that night would go home and make sure he learned the material. After that, everything was a complete breeze. When he went to take a test, he was already 100% ready, didn't have to study any, and he would pass the test. He did this for all of his classes and was able to successfully graduate in just 3 semesters. All of these techniques you can use when you start using Glue. We make this a simple, easy framework so that you don't have to worry about having falling grades or anything like that. So stay tuned to our video series and we'll show you exactly how this will work for you. Thank you.